Today we're gonna show
I'm going to show you an activity. We're going to make some wreaths.
wreath. Oh, I'm so
Christmas
excited.
Yes, it's for Christmas decoration. So what are the materials that we have? We have some round cardboards and then some buttons.
Buttons.
Okay. So first, Christmas wreath. What do you see
It's
here?
not a button.
It is a button. Those
Some
are buttons. Okay. You see here a board. And then there are already some buttons with numbers.
It's a control.
Yes. You will find.
It's a computer.
You will have to look
It's
for
computer.
the buttons with some numbers to complete the wreath. Okay? So where is button number 1?
Here.
Here. Okay. Can you look for button number 2, Sophie? Okay.
Ta-da.
Can you put button number
no.
2 here?
It's it.
Okay, Sophie's turn first, okay? And then it's your turn. Okay, very good, Sophie. After
Ouch.
button number 2,
I'm
what's
not
next?
the letter C here.
1, 2, what should be next? 1, 2,
3.
3. Okay, can you put
It's a
button number 3 here? Ah.
Yeah.
Can you put button number 3, Ira? Ira. Yes. Can you put button number 3 here? Very nice. And then
doesn't.
what number is this?
4.
Okay. What comes after number 4, Sophie?
5.
Okay. Look for button number 5.
Circle.
Oh, that's for later. 5. Where's 5? So, Ira, let's wait for your turn, okay?
5.
Okay. Put number 5 here. Okay. Very good. This is button number 5. Okay. And then,
That's
after button number 5,
finished.
number
Let's
6, what's what's after number 6?
6.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where's the normal daddy?
what should be this number?
Uh-oh.
Can you help your brother? 5, 6, and then
7.
7. Okay, where's number 7? Is it this one?
Where's
Yes, it's 7. Can you put number 7 there? Oh,
it
okay.
can fly.
Okay, thank
It
you.
can fly.
Just put it there.
It can fly.
Oh, excuse me, I just need to get this one. Here, 7.
It
Here,
can
here,
fly.
here.
It can fly.
Okay, very good, Ira.
It's a
What's number after number 7? What should be next? Oh, you count again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9.
Should be number 8 and then 9. Can you look for button number 8? Let Ira look for it. Ira will look for it. Where's button 8?
No,
What
Dada.
number is that? Look for the button number 8. Go ahead. That's your sister.
13 years.
What number is it? Oh, button number 8. Let's take off the double-sided tape. Oh, wait. Let's count again. Okay, Ira.
1, 2,
2.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What should be here?
No, 11.
Where's 11?
I saw. Say
Let's show them 11. Very good, Sophie. Let's just fix the 11.
I
10.
got.
11. Very nice. 11. After 11, what should be the next number? After number 11, what should be next? Look for it.
Well.
Where's 12? Do you have it, Ira? This?
Yeah.
Okay, take off the double side. How about you, Ira? Do you have another activity?
I
Did it! Okay.
Oh, no, I lost the game.
You did not lose the game. Look, number 12. After 12, what's next? What's this one?
Jamina.
11, 12, and then?
13.
No. Let me help you.
It's not the domino.
Like this.
This is
$13. Okay.
$13.
13. And then you
For a
count again
year?
at Ira first.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
11, 12, 13.
14, 15,
What should be next?
16.
Verse 16. I think Ira has 16. Let's take out the double-sided tape. Okay. To press number 16 here. Here. Beside 15. Oh, does it fit? Ah, see, it does. What's the after 16, Sophie? What number is that? Ate Sophie's turn.
I'm mad at you. No. You stop.
No fighting. We have more activity for you. Go ahead, take off the... You have this, oh? You have this wreath. Oh, the baby wreath for baby Ira. You finished that, Ira, Ate Sophie. No. Are you having a hard time? Oh, wow, you did it. Oh.
I don't love him. That's me.
7.
Love him.
Very nice.
So nasty.
So our wreath is complete. Can you count again, the two of you? We'll start with
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Ira, how about you?
11,
12,
13,
14,
15, 16,
17. How many buttons do you have in the wreath?
17.
Wow.
I don't.
There's another activity that
I
we
don't.
have.
I don't.
Oh, there's a small wreath. And this time we have some colored fuzzy wires.
Fuzzy wires.
Fuzzy wires, yes.
I'm scared.
And
So
then you have
ugly.
here some buttons of different colors and shapes.
No,
Okay?
I don't like
I will show you the shape. For example, I show you. What shape is this, Ira?
circle.
Circle.
Yeah.
What if I tell you to look for a yellow circle? Can you look for a yellow circle?
Oh, you found it! Yay!
Can you show it to them? Wow, one yellow circle.
Actually,
Show them.
this is a yellow circle.
You say it. This is a...
Yellow circle.
Oh. Can you
Goes
put the yellow
around,
circle on the yellow
goes
fuzzy
around.
wire? Oh. You put it, you insert it. Go ahead. You can do it. Use two hands. Go ahead. Hold the fuzzy wire and then hold the button. Insert. Very good. Press it down. Wait, not yet, Ira. Wait for your turn. You finish this, Ira. Oh, you finish this first.
I know.
You press this here. Very good. And
I
then
love mine. What's wrong?
And then you insert here.
I love my
You have to-
Sophia.
insert it here and then you insert it on the board. Look at this, Sophie.
Whatever.
No fight it. It's okay. We're just doing activity.
Nuts.
Okay. I'm showing
Nuts.
you how it should be done. Oh, see? Look at what we did. It's a... What color is this?
Circle.
Yellow circle. Oh.
No.
Can you
it's
also-
Not, it's not.
How about... Can
it's
you
not.
get...
It's not.
Can you get... What shape is this?
Star.
Can you get a yellow star?
Okay.
Okay. We insert the one yellow star only. How many? One yellow star. One only, Ira. Only the star. One yellow star. Put the yellow star here. Insert it on the fuzzy wire. After you, it's Ate Sophie's turn. Very good. And then, you also insert the fuzzy wire on the other hole. Like that. And then, you insert it on the board. Because we're going to secure the button
Get the
on the
button on the
board. Very good. Oh, what shapes do you have here?
circle star.
Very good. Ate Sophie, it's your turn.
Well, no, I don't.
Ate
Because
Sophie's
I
turn.
love him.
What shape is this?
Heart.
Heart. Can you get me a green heart?
I got it.
Okay. Can you insert the green heart on the green fuzzy wire?
What about that? What's it? Change the color. I don't know.
Okay. And then you insert the wire again on another hole. Choose another hole.
Wax.
Very good.
I don't love wax.
And then you insert it here on the
I
board.
don't like wax.
Like this. See?
It always stinks. Oh.
That's what the other side looks like. Look like. Can you get me? What shape is this? Or can you look at me? What shape is this? What shape?
Square.
Square. Can you get me a red square?
Oh, that's okay. I was getting the skate wire. I got it.
Okay.
What about
It should be red fuzzy wire. And you insert it also on another side of the bottom.
I want to
Do it. Go ahead. Very nice. And then I'll insert it on the board, okay? It's like we're sewing the buttons into the board using the fuzzy wires.
Because this is Steve. This is how it goes. I got all the fuzzy.
How about this shape? What shape is this?
Triangle.
Triangle. Can you get me a blue triangle? Uh-oh, blue triangle.
I got. No. I
Blue
got
triangle.
it. I can't got it.
And then insert it also on one of the holes there. Let me insert it on the hole in the board.
I do.
There you go. And then, what other shape? Can you get me a red hexagon, Sophie?
I got a hexagon.
A red fuzzy wire.
Does fuzzy wire.
And then you insert also on one of the holes there.
Let me do it on my. Let me insert it on my myself. I got a lot of
What are you
wax.
doing?
You're earrings.
Ew. Did you insert it? Okay, very guys. Insert it on the board. Hold it the board. There you go.
I'm
We
getting
have two more shapes. I need two more shapes. How about here? Are we complete? Is the wreath complete? How many stars do you see here, Sophie?
1, 2.
Count again. How many stars do you see?
1, 2.
Are you sure?
1, 2, 3.
Very good. Ira, how many squares do you see?
1,
How many squares?
1, 2.
Very good. 1, 2. How many hearts do you see here, Sophie?
Maybe 1.
1. How many triangles?
1. But the normal one.
No more. Only 1.
Our go.
And then how many hexagons do you see, Sophie?
1. 1.
Just 1 hexagon.
Wow.
So look at what we did today.
You just can't.
We show everyone what we did. Ira. We show everyone our Christmas tree made of cardboard and some buttons.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thanks everyone. Have a great day.
And subscribe.
Thank you.
For time. No.
Advance Merry Christmas, everyone.
I'm not Letter City. I'm not a Letter City.
Bye. You say bye.
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 Bye.